ama sa pinin isi bridge na tiwa
The bridge.
the bridge in boldo or timo chunga nasata in appreciate kan bolin
pao me sir
direct to the point achun ke wang sa south ka sai lo de I want peace tu chung Delhi achun aulim ding nei ko gen ka sai chu ko ham peace de lo who doesn't want peace but peace without justice is something which we will never accept ka ti chu hin samna dei lo ki ti chu le se chunga chu mi lo he ai wangen itabang ham samna iti pau hi chi a ki che ngai how do we define the peace that we are talking about ti pa chu chi chu a clear jap ngai ne he tu in samna hi inei na diwa chu thil dang pon iman now ithi now hi compensate a hi ngai ne hi chi iman now ithi now hi a compensate ding hi thil dang ima cha pon the only thing that can compensate our loss is only separate administration. It is separate administration is say pau hi not less than UT itio hin. Hichi hi a hele pisu ding ti na he. Jichu thai lo dinga le nothing can compensate our loss. A chutti dinga le chichu lo lai se achu we will always fight for peace ti pa chu idin nawa kichi ngai ne. Ani na in peace le peace lo chu khat sei lo hen e ho hi kichi sana ki khan hi we ti hi isu me lo de achia chu issue ha de hi number 1 buffer zone ta central government in ACMP hi chi hi mai le hon buffer zone ki ti mang hi a sei nom lo man nom lo because buffer zone ki ti hi ke mo koi lo hin aki koi namun ki a chu gam chom ti phot chet na khan he chi buffer zone he state government ya hi thei jana chu buffer zone hi su baiding ti hi to gon na nei hin chipa hi isu be sa lo hil de he chi buffer zone akila do ni nya buffer zone to pai ti ni new le e ho dei lo thum lo van no in heading to peace comes back in Manipur chi chu he icha chu buffer zone is there because we are separated physically emotionally geographically and demographically chichu vanu ki chi sa na hi hata issue ha de ne ani na in Manipur chu hi te poverty phat chi na khan hi armed force special power act hi just before violence a hi ala do hin achuti le Manipur chu thinglang chu Manipur poi din na he phai cham cheng chu 700 square mile chu Manipur hin chia chu armed force special power act ya la do hin thingla ki la do lo le we are not part of Manipur that's we should make it very clear abanin iki khan nau phat che na khit khat jong chu lei ki sem win lampi ki sem win ne le cha za chom me hon ki boi pi ta min chong hi ki khan nau ki chi san in chong hi issue ha deu ichi hat pi jing deu hi achu ta ting le hi chi chamnai tiu the only peace that we will agree is only when we are given separate administration ka ti banga chu achu ti le ko ham to hi chi spearhead e bor hi ko sama ki semin isu bayowin abanin jo united in sem ki devin kinap na bang kin hin ale thing noi mi hon ke hon political talk kan chi pi jing hin ke hon ka chi pi jam ding jing deu he ti vin amoi ngan se vin le well is the accountability and transparency I think mi pi ho jo se hin we must be strong enough and we must be courageous enough to ask this question ale mi pi hi banga ki gan thei ta ipija chu political talks spearhead ball eso o hon tu chana hi thip chana ham abanin MLA hon jong separate administration na samdo panubin ipija tu ai tip chanam hon current taparin hin say piu chu pyam tile why don't you reach out to other political parties and join ginza in thamkhat say jap tan Christians MPs so reach out boditin not only Christians MPs why don't we reach out to the political parties who are not part of this BJP or NDA so chu ipilo wale MLA ho hin ichi step jong jala ba pam chichu civil society organization hon role lin ta nei bin pressure repeat du ki chong nga thailawa e hon ki chong nga thailawa SO group mam hoi koi diu MLA hoi koi diu che bong ma cha mo cheng cheng in central government hin other political parties also ki chong nga lawa koi ting le cha chu I think issue chu hunging bab ding hi hichi achuti lawa hele itu hi imalo thana hung ki chai ding to ayong hi what my greatest fear is elected representative ho hin status quo maintaining anti kha diu yong ka ki chat pen hi chi achuti ding la I think CSO and lang public I think we must stay alert and be always vigilant amo in mi pi hitana kigan thaijo nu nga chu I think they cannot dictate our future with their own terms chi khat pa chu mi pi strong ngai abanen khatlani in e ho sung ka ki to lo thu asejin I think that's very natural boy piding kasa pon hi but how do we overcome to it? That's very important my inspiration is from Abraham Lincoln in slavery issue mong de tia chu a senate ho hin ama cabinet ho hin abon adin pi de pon hi mi zan ham ka chun Abraham Lincoln so oppose a bolin a senate tam ta jong adin pi pon hi but he was very determined and very assertive tu chung ke so Delhi ho na sa in appreciate ka bon no men aji chu hichi amending thua chun boina tam ta ho men challenges tam ta men but you remain firm determined and assertive I think that's the quality of leadership ai ho kilong dot na am jiwa chu mi hon ai ki chip now he for me don't take me wrong for me cookie is enough my definition of cookie is not only Thado speaking thi ho ke tong kha pau za chom chom tong ho zo si Manipur zo si chu cookie ka lai but ikilung to na diu it's kalson na diu tia chu cookie zo chu ha vale ai chi kala chu compromise bolding a ki go lam kai ho chu chita bong ho chu avelin lam kai dan le pha ka sai I think we must be assertive there are times when we have to be firm determined and assertive achuti lawa hele zo ai se chu chu iboi now he jing jing ding aji chu not strong thing le mi hi adi na lang di lo na yong la din cha khia ting le min na za ta chi ho ga chu kiling dot jing jo hoi la ya ga moi se peace se du ong mai le ho to peace su pha so yo sung ka peace su val ma cham lo dis lam chia chu I think we must be assertive we must not compromise beyond this achuti lawa hele the so called peace su mai tai te to peace su ma chai lo he tia chu lam kai ki ti pha chun idimano to ayong separate administration not less than UT itiu hi I think we must remain firm determined and be assertive on this ani na chu inaman pleasure ba yong hi firm ding determined ngai aji chu ken ka ta san chu pathin hi chana hi na to akidang ta thil ho boli mu ta ba le koi chu ipija chi lungneu na lai diu I think we must also change our perspective David dinga chu Goliath chu he is too big to miss ahin lengpa sol le Israel sipai ho dinga chu he is too big to win how do we see our problem tia chu kei wang chun with God pathinin ichung wen purpose nei tan na to ahin he has a plan for us that plan is not to harm us but to prosper us he has a future for us achutia de pathin hat na sung pumin assertive tan kal sungotin determine hiutin chuta ting le peace adinga chu we must continue this war for peace. American President Pan World War adinga declare bojun war for peace. Ichi war hi tu chunga boinai on declare a ball ikke bolo hi pon amon declare a ball ko main Kokomi has declared war on us. Meira Paibi has declared war on us. All the CSOs of the Métis declare war on us. Arambay Tengol declare war on us. Then we must fight this war for peace. That's the only choice that we have. I will repeat. CSO hon, we must come up strong and hold our SOO group accountable and our MLAs. SOO group, MLAs, and CSOs. Ichi tumhi, ichi tu thailowa hile. Forget about nomenclature. Forget about peace. Imam de thai de lo de. Ichi dinga chu step ila ngai. Ichu ka say do no mi ka kipai.